Have you ever paused to consider the impact of your daily meals on your health? This seemingly simple question carries with it a depth of meaning that many of us often overlook. Every day, 3 times a day, we make choices that directly influence our well-being. From the humble sandwich at lunch to the hearty dinner of steak or fish, each meal is a building block in the structure of our health. Now, picture your daily meals. Are they more green or red? Do they swim, fly, walk, or grow from the earth? Our dietary habits, often shaped by cultural norms and personal preferences, can have profound implications on our health. For instance, a diet heavy on meat might promise a protein-packed meal, but it could also be a ticket to higher cholesterol levels. On the other hand, a plate full of vegetables offers a rainbow of nutrients, yet might leave you questioning where your protein is coming from. At the heart of our discussion today is the comparison between different food groups and their health benefits. We'll be exploring the verdant world of vegetarian food, the meaty realm of carnivores, the aquatic domain of pescatarians, and the Milky Way of dairy consumers. Each has its merits and pitfalls, and understanding them can help us make informed decisions about what we put on our plates. Mindful eating is not just about watching calories or cutting out food groups. It's about understanding the nutritional value of different foods and how they interact with our bodies. It's about finding a balance that not only satisfies our taste buds, but also fosters our health. As we delve into this topic, you might find yourself reevaluating your current eating habits. So, are you ready to take a closer look at your plate? Are you ready to challenge the saying, "You are what you eat," and perhaps discover that you could be so much more? As we delve into this topic, you might find yourself reevaluating your current eating habits. Imagine a plate full of colorful vegetables, whole grains, and fruits. This is not just a feast for the eyes, but a bounty for the body as well. Welcome to the Green Plate, the vegetarian way of eating, which is packed with a multitude of health benefits. Let's start with the nutritional powerhouse that is fiber. Vegetables, fruits, and whole grains are rich in dietary fiber, which aids digestion and helps maintain a healthy weight. Fiber keeps you feeling full, which can curb overeating and assist in weight management. It also plays a crucial role in controlling blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Next on the list are antioxidants. Those vibrant colors on your green plate are indicative of the presence of antioxidants. These compounds help protect your cells against free radicals, which are harmful molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging and diseases. Fruits and vegetables are loaded with antioxidants, which can promote a healthy immune system and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Now let's talk about fat. Not all fats are created equal, and a vegetarian diet tends to be lower in saturated fats, which are often found in meat and dairy products. Lower intake of saturated fats can help maintain healthy cholesterol levels and lower the risk of heart disease. Instead, a vegetarian diet emphasizes healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and seeds. Furthermore, a vegetarian diet can help control blood pressure. High blood pressure can lead to serious health problems like heart disease and stroke. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and low-fat dairy can help keep blood pressure in check. Finally, let's not forget that a vegetarian diet is a sustainable choice for our planet. The production of plant-based foods generally requires fewer resources and causes less environmental damage compared to animal-based foods. So, the vegetarian diet packs a punch when it comes to health benefits. But what about meat and fish? That's a good question, and we'll delve into that in the next segment. For now, let's relish the thought of that colorful, nutritious, and sustainable green plate. Meat, especially red and processed ones, have long been under the health spotlight. In the realm of nutrition, meat's role often stirs up spirited discussions. Its benefits are clear. It's packed with essential nutrients like protein, vitamins, and minerals. But what about the flip side? Consuming meat, particularly red and processed varieties, in high quantities can potentially tip the scales towards health risks. Heart disease, for instance, is a major global concern, and our diet plays a crucial role in its prevention or progression. Studies have indicated an association between high consumption of red and processed meats and an increased risk of heart disease. This link is often attributed to the high levels of saturated fats and cholesterol in these meats, which can contribute to the buildup of plaque in arteries, a primary cause of heart disease. Moreover, certain types of cancer, especially colorectal cancer, have been associated with high consumption of red and processed meats. The potential culprits? Substances that form during meat processing or when meat is cooked at high temperatures, which can damage cells in our body and lead to cancer. But it's not all doom and gloom for meat lovers. Meat in moderation can be a part of a balanced diet. Lean meats, such as chicken or turkey, are lower in saturated fat and can provide high-quality protein, iron, and other vital nutrients. The key is to strike a balance. Swap out some of your red meat meals with lean meats or plant-based proteins. Opt for healthier cooking methods like grilling or steaming over frying or charbroiling. And remember, it's not just about what you eat, but also about how much you eat. Portion control is just as important. A serving size of meat should be about the size of a deck of cards. While meat can provide essential nutrients, the key lies in moderation. It's all about balance, variety, and making conscious, informed decisions about what's on your plate. After all, your health is worth it. Now, let's dive into the ocean and explore the benefits of eating fish. Fish, that versatile protein that graces our plates with its delicate texture and unique flavor, is not just a culinary delight, but also a treasure trove of health benefits. And the hero of this aquatic narrative, omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids are a type of fat that's essential for our bodies. But here's the catch. Our bodies cannot produce them on their own. That's where fish come in. They're an excellent source of these essential fats, particularly fatty fish like salmon, trout, and sardines. So, what's the big deal about omega-3s? Well, they play a crucial role in the health of our hearts and brains. Research has shown that omega-3s can help reduce the risk of heart disease by lowering blood pressure and reducing cholesterol levels. They also have anti-inflammatory properties, helping to combat conditions like arthritis. And when it comes to the brain, omega-3s are a real game changer. They aid in cognitive functions, improving memory and mental agility. In fact, some studies even suggest a link between omega-3 consumption and a lower risk of certain mental disorders, like depression and dementia. But fish isn't just about omega-3s. It's also packed with other nutrients like vitamin D and iodine, and it's a leaner source of protein compared to red meat. Now, before we get carried away and start emptying the oceans, it's important to remember the concept of sustainable fishing. This means choosing fish that are abundant and harvested in environmentally friendly ways. It's not just about keeping our plates full, but also about preserving the delicate balance of our aquatic ecosystems. So, whether you're a pescatarian, a flexitarian, or just someone looking to add a little variety to their diet, fish offers a delicious and nutritious alternative. Just remember to make choices that are not only good for you, but also good for our planet. Clearly, incorporating fish into your diet provides a sea of benefits. Finally, let's turn our attention to dairy products and their role in our diet. Dairy is a household staple, known for being a prime source of calcium. Calcium is essential for building strong bones and teeth, maintaining bone mass, and ensuring proper functioning of our heart, muscles, and nerves. But there's a flip side to dairy. For many adults, dairy can be somewhat controversial due to lactose intolerance, a condition where the body lacks the enzyme lactase needed to digest lactose, the sugar in milk. This can lead to digestive problems such as bloating, diarrhea, and abdominal cramps. Additionally, while dairy is indeed rich in calcium, it's not the only source. Leafy green vegetables, fortified plant-based milks, and certain types of fish are excellent alternatives for those who can't or choose not to consume dairy. In essence, dairy products can be part of a healthy diet, but it's not essential for everyone. Dairy, like all other food groups, requires a balanced approach. So, what does this all mean for your plate? Well, it's all about balance and variety. The Green Plate taught us the immense benefits of vegetarian food, packed with essential nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants. Then we dove into the carnivore's dilemma, understanding why meat, though a great source of protein, shouldn't be an everyday indulgence due to its potential health implications. Our journey continued with the pescatarian's choice, showing us how fish, with its heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids, can be a fantastic addition to our diet. And lastly, we explored the Milky Way, shedding light on dairy's nutritional benefits, yet cautioning that it may not always be the best option for everyone, especially adults. In essence, the secret to a healthy diet lies in embracing diversity in your meals, giving each food group a chance to shine. Remember, the journey towards healthier eating habits is a marathon, not a sprint. Happy eating!